Alright, so I just gave you guys a little sound test of the Boba U4T switches, and I just want to do a short little review or conclusion of them. I'd say they're a pretty good switch. Like, their housings are very tight, and there's little to no stem wall at all, and do very well stock. Like, you won't really notice that it's too scratchy, especially because of the tactile bump. You can't really hear that much spring ping or leaf ping, unless you're really looking for it or putting your ear right next to a keyboard, which who's gonna do that? When you lube them, what I did was I just lubed the stem, purposely not getting the legs, just so that the tactility stays. It becomes noticeably smoother, and it also becomes much quieter and thockier, which I really like. I also filmed them, which honestly I don't think you really need to do. I just did it just so I know. I filmed them. This is the best they could possibly be. But you really don't notice much of a difference, especially since the housings are already so tight. There's no stem wobble anyways. So yeah, I think they're a really good switch. Hopefully you got to see how the tactility is. I know I've always liked to see, just have a representation of where the tactile bump is. I'd say it's pretty heavy. Definitely not like overwhelming or something that would make you fatigue. Though they are pretty loud. But if that's a problem for you, you can always just get the U4s that should feel just about the same, just be much quieter. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can like the video or subscribe to my channel that I am currently just starting out on. Don't expect usual content. I am very slow editor. Yeah, have a good day, I guess. Bye.